Hello, today I'll try and do a helicopter noise. It kind of fails, but here we go. Yeah, that's how it goes. I'll do it one more time. It goes, first I'll show how to do it, basically, like your fart noise like this. But then you add a little to it like yeah, and yeah, so you go and then you make a machine gun noise, so it goes this. So you can use that if you're like doing an army game or something, like playing an army game. So you can go like, yeah, and also I can do a water drop sound. You might want to turn your volume up on this. There it goes. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that. What you do is basically you blow air out with your tongue. So you go. So you go. And then you add a little. It don't always work, but if you go, and then you add a little, but you've got to hold your breath while you do it. So you go. And then if you want to make it louder, you can go. But sometimes it works like if you go like that, and then if you feel like air on your lips, then like that's where when you can do it. So you go like that, and keep your mouth closed. And then as soon as you feel your air, the air blowing against your lips, I'm in the right location. So yep. Hear that? Yes, sir. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to me, comments, like, and thanks for watching.